I want everybody to see they all scattered out. All these birds come flocking. Won't look here, they come back. Because I try to feed some of them because I feel bad because, you know, they want to eat too. But, look at this. Yeah, they want food. And they all try to kill each other when I put some stuff down. And then look at this one I got here. Oh sure, now you want to move. I banged on the table and everything. He would not move. Look at them crows. But I don't know the name of those little white birds over there. I don't know the name of those. But look at all these crows on the table. Look at them. They all coming thinking I got some more food for them. But I'm not going to give them none. No food. No food. No food at all. Yeah, here they come. We got some pigeons. Oh, here comes a pigeon. Right here. Isn't it something? Look at all them on the table over there, sitting there. Oh, I got one on the table. Let me show you this bird I got on the table. I can slowly move. Look at that. He's on my table. Isn't he something? Hello. Hello, little bird. Cute. He's just sitting there like, you gonna give me some food? He's just a looking. Yeah, cute as they can be. Oh, that one's got a hobble leg. Poor thing. Bless his heart. I'm sorry, guys. I have sympathy for animals. I don't like when they're hurt. I don't like when they have to go hungry. But anyway, guys, this is Nana's World. This is the view again. We're still sitting here. Again. It's so pretty outside today. Very cool, very nice. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna let y'all have it. My little friend here on my table just sitting here waiting for something. Let me see if I can give it a piece of bread. Now, I gave it a piece of bread. He got it, look. He brought it on my table. It's in his mouth. That's the bread I gave him. He said, okay, thank you. I'm like, okay.